This video will show you how you can access your society portal directly from your Facebook account. So you double click on your browser, go to facebook.com, and once you land on the login page, all you have to do is feed in your username and then your password and click login. Once you land on the home page, you search for Just My Neighbor in the search bar. So you type Just My Neighbor, and right there you'll see Just My Neighbor Facebook page. So you click on it, and there you see, as the cover photo indicates, the Just My Neighbor application icon. So you click on the application and you land on this page wherein you're required to like the application. So that's exactly what you do. You go up there and click like. Once you do that, you see that there are two options for you to log in, either as a resident or as an advertiser. So we are currently going to log in as resident. Once we click there, we see another window wherein we select login with Facebook, which will mean that I won't have to come back every time and log in. Now, once we land on this page, we can either look for our society by using our mobile number, or we can do it by looking for our city right up there and then the region. This is one way, or else, as I said, we can also feed in our mobile number and go search by it. But today we will be going by the city and location way, and once we look for search, we see a list of societies. I can request a login and password if I do not have one already in my society, or else we log in. Once we do that, we wait for us to feed in our username password. We do just that. We feed in first our society login username and then the password and click submit. That's the home page of our society portal. We have come directly to it from our Facebook account itself. As you see, there are snapshots of the notice board, discussion boards, events, ask your neighbor, classifieds, and thereon. Now, if we wish to go to any particular application separately from the list, we can select from the icons on the left. So we've gone to discussion board now. I can make a comment there, or if I wish to start a new discussion, that's the button on top that prompts me to do so. Once I click on it, I can select a category, discussion title, as well as the discussion text and submit it. So we go back to our page, and as you see, there are several other icons that you can explore. Let's go to complaints, and you see a host of complaints by our neighbors. If I wish to make a new complaint, all I have to do is create a new complaint, select a category from the drop down list, enter my text and submit my complaint. So we go back again. This is our complaint page. Now there are several other icons there that you can go to individually. If we click on the resident directory page, we see this is where we open up to. We have opened into another tab on our internet browser that takes us to our society portal directly, where I can search for my neighbors by their name, by their unit number, and find our neighbors. So now we go back to our previous tab of JustMyNeighbour Facebook application, which will be on the left of the current tab that has opened. So you see there are a host of other icons there, facilities, various other amenities that you can go through anytime you explore. So now we log out. I do this to show you that when you log back in, you will not be required to feed in your username password yet again. So on the login page of your Facebook account, you feed in your username and then your password and log in. There you go. We again type JustMyNeighbour in the search bar. Go to our application there. Click on the Search Your Society icon. And there you go. You've reached the home page of your society portal directly. So this is how you can access your society portal directly from your Facebook account without having to repeatedly log in.